Hey guys, Andy here, and today I'm going to teach you how to add cinematic black bars in Adobe Premiere Pro. So what you would do is just go up to Video Effects, go down to Transform, and go to Crop, and drag it onto your clip. And from there, go and add 10% to the top and the bottom. And it's just that easy. And now I'm going to teach you how to ease the black bars into your video. So all you have to do is hit the stopwatch on the top and the bottom, add keyframes to both of those, move just a little bit to the right, then add in your 10%, add in the 10% keyframe, and do that for both the top and the bottom. And from there, adjust your keyframes accordingly, and it should ease in. And it's just that easy. So yeah, that's how you add cinematic black bars in Adobe Premiere Pro. If you like this tutorial, be sure to give it a like and subscribe for more tutorials. And if you have a question about Adobe Premiere Pro, be sure to leave it in the comments down below and your question could be the next tutorial. This is the Andy-san, signing off for now, and as always, we'll see you next time. Bye guys.